Hi guys, so I'm going to be talking about Rum Royale, the category that we just created about robotic competitions. Basically, this category is a mix between esports and traditional robotic competitions. We come from making sumo robot fights, from making line followers, racing cars, which is not the same as line followers, a little bit more complicated. And we decided in 2018 that we could do something new. I was looking for it for a couple of years before that, but it was in 2018 that I was playing League of Legends with Sai on top and thought that would be a good idea to have some game like League of Legends in real life. But I thought that it would be complicated because you have to go to the store for all the shopping and the teleporting when you die would be complicated. You will need some kind of crane where you get the dead body, the real thingy, and send it back to the base. And it was a no for me, at least in that moment. Maybe we can start with something about that now that we have the Battle Royale category working. But in any case, at the same time, and I remember that I raced about these ideas, my mind was racing with them. I thought about doing a Battle Royale genre category on robotics competitions because I thought like everything is feasible. Like you have a plane with 100 robots and they drop. Communication is going to be a challenge, but then you can work around things there. Then when the drop is done, the thing is going to land on the floor and then it has to move. How do you land it? It will be a parachute thingy or something like that. We had a lot of technical challenges, and at the beginning of the project, I thought I'm gonna need two of the best I know, and it was like Andreu Marsal and Alejandro Amor. Both of them are very good engineers here in Spain. Alejandro is an industrial engineer with a specialty in electronics, like a legend in this field. He also flies rockets and flies drones, and well, that's the kind of guy. And Andreu Marsal is a physicist, and this is the presentation in Spain. Anyone you talk about robotics here in Spain is gonna know who he is. So they started advising me and designing the electronics for the robots because um, I can do all the software for the server, I can do the communications, but when it comes to the electronics for the boards, I'm gonna be challenged for that. So they took care of that. At the beginning, we had a lot of issues, mostly with the droning part because we were not expert in drones. And at the same time, all the people we found in Spain who were supposed to be experts in drones were experts in being users of commercial drones, which was like we lost months in there because we tried to get experts about drone building, about drone design. There were none. Okay, I'm not saying there is no one in Spain, but there is mostly no one because all of them are gonna tell you which drone to buy, which brand to use, which brands can be combined with each other, which commercial devices can be plugged in other drones. That's not what I thought I would find, but that's what I found. So in the end, we had to do all the drone part from our side. Also, we wanted the drones to be very small because you cannot make very big drones or you won't have 100 drones in a normal space. So we needed it to be like drones like this or long like this the most. And we got it. We got it with a lot of work. We had to, well, it had been 3 years and we are not very stupid guys. So you can imagine it has been a lot of work. So, well, yesterday we were in a place called La Nave here in Madrid. It's an innovation space founded by the Ayuntamiento de Madrid, and they were nice enough to have us, and we were able to fly 4 of our drones. In reality, only 2 of them work. The third was low on battery because I forgot what is it? I forgot this. So I was not able to figure out the battery, and the fourth was not working because the drop thingy from the drone ship, which is here. This is the drop ship. This is the drop ship. Okay, it only can contain now 9 drones, but we're gonna do it in a way that you can fly up to, well, I don't know, 16, 25, 50. It depends on the amount of interest we can pull on this category. I'm gonna be working on the category for the following months. So I wanna be working publicly in the category for the following months. So I wanted you to know that I would like to have your following. If you want to keep up to date with our project, I hope you like it. And I expect that around April, May or June, we will be able to have a real competition where we can have people flying the drones, landing and fighting each other in a real playground. So finally, Battle Royale comes to reality, and it's also a way to have people not only playing but also thinking about how to design better robots and better drones to be able to fight other teams and win. This is going to be, of course, a new category in the National Spanish Robotics League, and we hope to be able to export it to other countries. Thanks a lot for your time.